Namaste. My name is Rob Johnstone, and many of you have asked me, Rob, how do you stay so centered and calm in the midst of this hectic world of woodworking? Well, I have great news for you because I'm going to share with you and the rest of the world through my new book, Zen and the Art of Woodworking, just how I manage that. It's the follow-up to my cult classic, Who Moved the Chaise? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how through sanding, we can remove our anxiety and our stress. As you watch the sawdust being removed, you can contemplate and think of your nervousness and your distress being removed away, one sawdust grain at a time. Let's watch the video, and remember, be at peace and keep on making sawdust.